Hey, what's up? How you doing? It's Johnny Grooms, and today I have a grooming tool review for you. This, hands down, may be the best thing I've ever used to clean the inside of my ears. On the channel, I have a review of an ear cleaner that's also double as a camera. It was pretty gross. You know, I did the shot inside the ear, and like it just showed everything that was in there. It's gross. But today, I have something that is renewable, cleanable, and I think pretty much will last you for the rest of your life if you take care of it. Maybe. Don't quote me on that. It's just a personal feeling. After using it a few times, I can't wait to show you what it is. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Last Swab. Of course, what I'm going to do next is bring the camera down, unbox this little box, show you everything that's inside, and then I'll bring it back up, do a little demonstration on cleaning my ears with it, and share my final thoughts. So without further ado, let's bring the camera down to look at the Last Swab. Okay, here it is, the Last Swab, the reusable cotton swab made to last. Here's the top of the box, made in Denmark. I got the regular one, durable, soft. If you want, you could take a freeze frame of that and it gives you all the information, how to use it, what it's made out of, everything. It's made out of recycled ocean-bound plastic, clean with soap and water. The Last Swab is an environmentally friendly alternative to cotton swabs. Let's open it up, show you what it looks like. Comes in a really nice case. Inside here, lets you know you just saved the planet from 1,000 cotton swabs. Lets you know how to clean it. Do not boil it. Do not put the Last Swab in the dishwasher. Clean with soap and water. This opens up like this, and you got a QR code right there. You got the warning right there. Do not push cotton swab into the ear or nose. Do not apply acetone to the swab. Do not use on infants or children. That's the inside of the package. Let's get to the actual Last Swab. So here's the container. You got the logo right here. This goes like that, and there you go. That's it right there. Functions just like a regular cotton swab. These little dots that are protruding up are extremely satisfying to clean your ears with. Let's bring it back up, and I'll give you my final thoughts, and we'll use it. Back up top with the Last Swab. Like I said, this thing is extremely satisfying to use. Especially if you have an itchy ear. Oh, yeah, that's some good stuff right there. Use it like a regular cotton swab. Let's get the other ear. Maybe I can pick some out here to show you what it looks like when it has some wax on it. I think I just did my ears yesterday, so I don't have a lot of wax in them. Let's see if we can scrounge up any here so you guys can see. Got a little bit on there for you. How to clean it. Very simple. Paper towel. You can use warm water. I like to use rubbing alcohol. Cleans and disinfects. 1 or 2 drops on the paper towel is just enough to get the stuff off the Last Swab. And kills any germs that's on it. So there you go, nice and clean. I can put it away in its case, like so, and it will be ready for the next use. This is really good for cleaning the ears. Feels fantastic in your ears when you're actually cleaning. Very satisfying, especially if you have an itchy ear and you just want to get that scratching and you really can't, you know. This, you can get in there and just keep twisting, turning. The little barbs at the end of the cotton swab make it extremely satisfying. There's a lot of other things you can use Q-tips for, you know, for your cleaning and makeup removal and things like that. This is only for cleaning your ears. You can't even clean your nose with this. So there is a positive side to getting one of these, but I don't feel it is right to replace regular Q-tips. But as a whole, I dig the whole thing. It takes garbage out of the ocean. They recycle it to make these cases. And the handle on the inside, you know, one little small thing at a time, and this definitely helps do that. The Last Swab is going to run you about $12, which is pretty good for the very last thing you're going to ever buy to actually clean your ears. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I say pick one up. The feeling this gives you while cleaning your ears, it's so much better than cotton. It's so much better than a silicone scraping tool. I can definitely say it is the most satisfying way to clean my ears. That'll be it for the Last Swab review. Catch you on the next one.